Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to set WhatsApp chat log secret code. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the WhatsApp application. Locate the chat you want to log and click on it. Click on the chat. Click on the profile name. Scroll down, locate chat log and toggle this on. Then click on continue. Now use PIN or confirm your fingerprint to enable chat log. Once chat log is enabled, hit the back button. Come back to the chat page. Scroll down on the screen, locate and click on logged chats. Then confirm your PIN or fingerprint to access logged chat. Now once you're on the logged chats page, click on the three dots at the top right. Then locate and click on chat log settings. Once you selected that, locate and turn on hide logged chat. Then it should say hide your chat with a secret code for more privacy. Then go down and click on create secret code. Now type in your secret code. Then click on next. Repeat the secret code and then click on done. You see that? Now when next you want to see your WhatsApp log chat using the secret code, all you need to do is open the WhatsApp, come to where you see ask Meta AI or search, then type in the WhatsApp chat log secret code. Then you should see logged chat unlocked, click on that, then you should see your logged chat. So that is basically how to set up WhatsApp chat log secret code. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.